technology, unless it is simple, it is easy to understand, people find it difficult to adopt technology. In the context of new technologies, the people who create it sometimes do not make it very user friendly, and this is very important. Like today, if you find a new app, it takes time to get into the market. If it is difficult to actually use the app, if it is difficult to understand the app, technology development has to be very simplified for mass adoption. If you look at simple things, if it is convenience, talking about the example of the cell phones were easily adopted because they were convenient to use, people could understand. Even in cell phones, there are 90% of the features which most of the people do not use, because they find it difficult to actually understand, comprehend and use. Now, technology has a unique feature that it has to be user friendly. The more you simplify, the more adoption takes place. Take the case of Google, it simplified. Take the case of Apple, it simplified. Whenever you simplify technology, people adopt it. If you make it complicated, make it complex, people don't adopt it. That's typical characteristic of technology. So the innovators need to focus especially on that part of it, where they do not complicate technology and make it simple. We have a very old partnership with Intel. We keep on working on various projects together, and this was a project which was conceived by Intel. And then, since we have a history of working together, they came to us saying that can we partner in this project as well. So, since the project was of value to us, of interest to us, we thought we will partner with Intel. And it is the government's agenda to make innovations in every sphere, whether it is Make in India, whether it is Clean India, whether it is Green India and Digital India. So, the government, like the Department of Science and Technology, MyGov, DIIT, we all partner together with Intel to create products and to create services which are built around Digital India. Now, what we have typically seen in this is IoT, we have seen wearables, we have seen sensors, agriculture, healthcare. These are the areas in which we have. Coming back to the specific role of the department, what we thought is that we will partner in this program and support the innovators by way of some seed money, some program costs which will be supported, and that is where we decided to partner with Intel, CI, the other government departments like MyGov and DIIT. This program evaluates the ideas, the startups on basis of various parameters. The first parameter is what is the readiness of the team, how seriously the team is engaged in the entire process. We also have to look in the capability of the team, the soundness of the idea. We also have to look at the marketability aspects and the barriers to entry, how easy it is to replicate. Now, these are the parameters on which the participants are judged. The ideas which we get are from ideas to somebody who has developed a prototype and somebody who is in the business for the last 1 or 2 years. These are the various stages in which we get these ideas. Yes, we also do get some fantasies where the idea also is very premature, but those are not the ones which we are most likely to take into the program. Now, we will shortlist about 20-25 people who will then undergo an accelerator program. As the name suggests, this accelerator program actually in a period of 3 months accelerates the business process of that particular idea or that particular venture. Now, in the accelerator program, they will be exposed to the best of the mentors, best of the real life entrepreneurs who have done it, seen it, and they interact with the participants. Finally, even in the accelerator program, there will be a selection process. The top 10 will get some little amount of funding where they can even accelerate their idea very quickly, very fast. So that's the entire program. Now, we are confident in the Department of Science and Technology that this partnership will work. The partnership will work because for the last last about a decade, we have been at it, and we have done various programs together with great amount of success. So, I am personally very confident that this will work very well. We have a lot of people who innovate on the existing platforms. Like UID is one platform where there is a large amount of data which is available, which is citizen centric. Now, this data can be used in various forms, shapes and sizes. The attendance is one example which is successfully running, and there are various other applications which this could be based upon. Similarly, e-governance is one area where there is still a lot to be done, and there are innovations which can be built around it, and there could be combinations of using the UID, using the e-governance platforms existing, or develop new ones. So, we can do a lot of things based on these technologies, and we encourage participants to participate in these areas.